Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A34. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Now download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. After that, click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android, and then Receive next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Samsung, scroll all the way down to set up the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. On it, tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots to choose files from your category. You can also just click on the chosen files. I will go with this one photo. Now select Send next to Selected when you finished, and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, select the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon located next to Input key on Samsung. Then click on While using or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, tap on Input key section next to scanning icon, type in all of those numbers from an Android, and then connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!